How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
Do you take the bus daily?
Yes, every single day.
Is this your bus stop?
Yes, my usual stop.
Is the bus stop near home?
Yes, just 2 minutes.
How long do you wait?
About 10 minutes usually.
Is the wait long?
No, quite short wait.
What bus do you take?
I take Route 14.
Is Route 14 frequent?
Yes, every 15 minutes.
Is the bus comfortable?
Yes, nice and clean.
Do you have a bus pass?
Yes, monthly bus pass.
Is the bus pass cheap?
Yes, students get discount.
Do you like taking the bus?
Yes, I can relax.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music.
Do you read on the bus?
Sometimes, yes, I do.
Is the bus ride long?
About 20 minutes ride.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, right here, look.
Is that your bicycle?
Yes, my own bicycle.
Is it a good bicycle?
Yes, very good quality.
Do you ride it to school?
Yes, on nice days.
Do you prefer bus or bicycle?
Depends on the weather.
When do you take the bicycle?
On sunny, warm days.
When do you take the bus?
On rainy or cold days.
Is cycling to school fun?
Yes, very fun indeed.
Is cycling good exercise?
Yes, very healthy habit.
How long does cycling take?
About 15 minutes cycling.
Is 15 minutes far?
No, quite close actually.
Do you wear a helmet?
Yes, always wear a helmet.
Is the helmet important?
Yes, very important always.
Is cycling safe here?
Yes, there are bike lanes.
Are bike lanes helpful?
Yes, very safe indeed.
Do you walk sometimes?
Yes, when I have time.
How long is the walk?
About 30 minutes walking.
Is walking good for you?
Yes, very healthy exercise.
Do you walk with friends?
Sometimes, yes, we do.
Is walking to school fun?
Yes, with good company.
Does your friend cycle too?
No, he takes bus.
Do you go to school together?
Yes, we meet here.
Is this bus stop your meeting point?
Yes, we meet here daily.
What time does your bus come?
Bus comes at 8.
Are you on time today?
Yes, just in time.
Is being on time important?
Yes, very important. Always.
Are you ever late for school?
Rarely. Almost never late.
What happens if you are late?
Teacher is not happy.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love school.
Is your school far from here?
No, quite close actually.
How many stops to school?
Just 4 stops away.
Is the school in the city?
Yes, city center school.
Is the city center busy?
Yes, always very busy.
Is traffic bad in morning?
Yes, Quite bad sometimes.
Is the bus faster than car?
Sometimes yes, no traffic.
Do you have a car?
No, I am student.
Does your dad have a car?
Yes, he drives to work.
Does dad drop you sometimes?
Sometimes, when he can.
Do you like car rides?
Yes, very comfortable rides.
Is public transport good here?
Yes, very good system.
Do many students take the bus?
Yes, many students do.
Do you talk to people on bus?
Sometimes, if they are friendly.
Do you have friends on the bus?
Yes, two friends usually.
Do you sit together on the bus?
Yes, always sit together.
Is the bus crowded in morning?
Yes, quite crowded then.
Do you get a seat always?
Not always. Sometimes stand.
Is standing on bus hard?
A little, but okay.
Do you use headphones on bus?
Yes, always use headphones.
What music do you listen to?
Calm and happy music.
Does music help on bus?
Yes, time passes fast.
Do you arrive at school early?
Yes, 5 minutes early.
Is arriving early good?
Yes, good habit always.
Do you have morning classes?
Yes, first class at 9.
What is your first class?
English is my first.
Do you like English class?
Yes, very much so.
Is your English teacher good?
Yes, very kind teacher.
Does teacher help you a lot?
Yes, explains everything clearly.
Are you good at English?
Getting better every day.
Do you practice English outside class?
Yes, I watch videos.
Do English videos help?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you practice with friends?
Yes, we speak English together.
Is speaking practice important?
Yes, most important thing.
Will your English improve fast?
Yes, with daily practice.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I love it.
Is English useful in life?
Yes, very useful language.
Can English help you travel?
Yes, everywhere people speak it.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, my big dream.
Where do you want to go?
Europe and America first.
Will English help you there?
Yes, absolutely will help.
Are you excited about the future?
Yes, very excited indeed.
Shall we get on the bus?
Yes, here it comes.
Is this our bus?
Yes, Route 14 here.
Let us go to school.
Yes, let us go.